on there. Let me sink. You grab it on the fall, or you grab it when I twitch it. So hang it on that drop off. Oh, there it is. There on that. There you go. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Don't lose him. That's a good fish. Just hope you don't straighten the hook out. Coming up. Oh, ah! It's a smallmouth and I lost him. Damn. Fucking hook back a little bit. Oh, that's a monster bass. That's a huge bass. Oh my God, it's a big bass. I don't know if I'll be able to get him though. He's too big. And I got a little bitty hook in him. Gotta take your time, that's it. He jumped once, boy, he's big. He's gotta be at least 6 pounds. I've caught 6-pounders in here before. I just gotta tire him out. Just hang on to him. He might jump again. He's going to deep water now. Oh, he's coming up. Don't come up. Don't jump. Let's see if I get lucky. He's just swimming around right now. I don't think he knows he got a hook in him yet. There he goes. He's going to start pulling. Come on, baby. Here. Oh, look at the head on that thing. Oh my God. That'll be my biggest bass in here if I can land him. I hope he swallowed it. I gotta be real gentle. The hardest part is when he gets real close to me. I got some trees over here. Oh, don't pull. Just gotta hang on to him. I wear the boots so I can get away from the trees, you know. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh my God. Please let me touch you. He looks tired. Oh, please come here. Oh, I got you. I got him. Sports fans. That's a big bass on the BFS. Man, that hook was barely in his mouth. Just on the skin, that's it. I'm gonna let it go on video. Let that monster go. God bless you.